When it's time to replace your old appliances, whether it's a refrigerator, washing machine, dryer, or even a dishwasher, disposing of the old one can be tricky. Not only do appliances take up a lot of space, but improper disposal can harm the environment and be dangerous if not handled correctly. Fortunately, Austin's professional appliance removal services offer a simple and safe way to get rid of your old appliances without the hassle, ensuring that they're disposed of responsibly. In this article, we'll guide you through how to safely dispose of your old appliances with Austin's expert removal services, and why choosing a professional service is the best option. Why use professional removal services? While you might think of hauling your old appliances to a landfill or recycling center on your own, there are several important reasons why professional removal services are the better choice. Safety. Old appliances can be heavy, bulky, and difficult to move. Attempting to move them yourself can lead to injury or damage to your home. Proper disposal. Appliances contain materials that need to be disposed of correctly. For example, refrigerators and freezers contain refrigerants that must be removed and recycled according to environmental regulations. Environmental responsibility. Many appliances can be recycled or repurposed to reduce environmental impact. Professional removal services ensure that your appliances are disposed of in an environmentally friendly way. What to expect from Austin's professional appliance removal services? When you hire a professional removal service in Austin, the process is straightforward and convenient. Here's what you can typically expect. Scheduling. Most appliance removal services in Austin allow you to schedule a pickup online or by phone at a time that works best for you. Some services offer same-day or next-day appointments, making it easy to get rid of your old appliances quickly. Convenience. Professional movers will come directly to your home, inspect the appliances, and handle the lifting, loading, and transportation. You won't need to worry about how to transport your appliance to a recycling center or landfill. Safe handling. Trained technicians understand how to properly disassemble and remove appliances without causing damage to your home or the appliance itself. This means no scratches on your floors or walls, and the safe removal of hazardous materials, like refrigerants or batteries. Recycling and eco-friendly disposal. One of the most important aspects of professional appliance removal services in Austin is the environmentally responsible disposal of your old appliances. Appliances are made of various materials, including metals, plastics, and glass, many of which can be recycled. Refrigerators and freezers. Old fridges and freezers contain refrigerants, which need to be handled with care to avoid environmental contamination. Professional removal services ensure that these chemicals are properly extracted and disposed of according to regulations. In addition, metal and plastic components are recycled. Washing machines and dryers. These large appliances are typically made of durable metals, which can be recycled. Instead of contributing to landfill waste, your washing machine or dryer can be sent to a recycling center where materials like steel and aluminum are reused. Dishwashers and ovens. Like other appliances, dishwashers and ovens contain valuable metals that can be reused. By using a professional service, you ensure that the appliance is taken to the appropriate facility where its parts are recycled properly, reducing the overall environmental impact. Responsible disposal of hazardous materials. Many household appliances contain hazardous materials that require special handling. For example, refrigerants and freon. Refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners contain refrigerants like freon, which must be removed by certified professionals to avoid harmful emissions. Handling these chemicals incorrectly can damage the ozone layer and contribute to global warming. Batteries and fluorescent bulbs. Some appliances, like certain microwaves or old refrigerators, may have batteries or fluorescent bulbs that can be hazardous. Professional removal services know how to handle these materials safely and ensure they are disposed of or recycled properly. By choosing a professional appliance removal service in Austin, you help ensure that your old appliances are disposed of in a way that complies with local laws and environmental standards. Additional services and benefits. Aside from removing old appliances, many Austin-based removal services offer additional benefits, including donation. If your appliance is still in good condition and reusable, many professional removal services will work with local charities to donate the item, giving it a second life while helping those in need. Cleaning. Some services offer cleaning or sanitizing of areas after the appliance is removed. This can be particularly useful when removing large items like refrigerators, where spills and buildup can occur. Bulk pickups. If you're replacing multiple appliances or getting rid of other large items, many removal services offer bulk pickups. You can have several items removed at once, saving you time and effort. Cost-effective service. The cost of professional appliance removal in Austin can vary depending on the size and number of items being picked up, but it is generally affordable considering the convenience and benefits. Many services charge based on volume, how much space your appliance takes up in their truck, or the type of appliance. When you factor in the cost of renting a truck, fuel, and the risk of damaging your property while handling large, heavy items, the price of professional removal is often worth it. Plus, many services offer discounts or package deals for multiple pickups, making it even more budget-friendly. Conclusion. When it's time to part with your old appliances in Austin, using a professional appliance removal service is the safest, most environmentally responsible choice. From ensuring proper disposal and recycling to offering convenient pickup and removal, these services make the process simple and hassle-free. Whether you're replacing a refrigerator, washing machine, or any other large appliance, choosing a professional service ensures that your home stays clean, safe, and clutter-free while doing your part to protect the environment. Ready to get rid of those old appliances? Contact a trusted local appliance removal service in Austin today and experience the convenience and peace of mind that comes with expert disposal.